Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our BP-100 Technician's Tool Bag Backpack. This backpack is 20 inches tall by 6.5 inches deep and 14 inches wide. The backpack features 36 pockets and 12 straps that allow you to put something in it very quickly and easily, and has a 2-inch wide Velcro strip in the front. The backpack features a strap here allowing you to hook up electrical tape and light. It has a clip here for you to put your tape measure on it. Cushion straps and cushion back in the back for added comfort. It has a heavy-duty EVA foam front pocket to protect things like safety glasses or maybe sunglasses. Inside, the backpack has 36 pockets, additional spots to put things like small screwdrivers and like. You can put them in these pockets as well. It has 2 pockets here for your meters or anything you want to protect. The backpack is made of 1680D ballistic material. The bottom here is rugged, waterproof plastic, so keep it nice and sturdy and dry in some of those harsh conditions out on a job site. Thank you.